2012 Nissan Xterra. Accelerate your activity with the Nissan Xterra. Its powerful 24-valve V6 lets you climb faster and further, while its versatile interior lets you stretch out in style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, panic alarm, tachometer, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.